Welcome back to Learning Buddy. This is Sir Marvin at narito na tayo sa ating Tagalog to English Sentence Translation Part 76. Daily useful phrases or sentences. Hindi ang salitang makikita natin sa mga pangungusap. Tagalog to English Translation. Huwag natin kalimutan mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel at sa TikTok. Let's begin. Hindi na ako babalik doon. I will never go back there. Sana hindi ka nagkamali. I hope you are not mistaken. Kapag hindi ka sumang-ayon, magagalit ako. If you don't agree, I will get angry. Hindi ko pinangarap yan. I never dreamt of that. Hindi sa pagmamayabang pero magaling ako sa mathematics. Not to brag that I am good at mathematics. Hindi sa pinagbabawalan kita pero gabi na. Not that I am stopping you but it's late. Hindi ko maikakaila. I can't deny it. Sana hindi ka maging kagaya niya. I hope you don't end up like him. Hindi ko gusto ang ugali niya. I don't like his attitude. Pwede rin, I don't like her attitude. Hindi ko na alam ang gagawin ko. I don't know what to do. Sabi niya, hindi na siya babalik. He said he's not coming back. Bakit hindi ka pumunta? Why didn't you come? Sabi niya, hindi na siya mag-iingay. He said he won't make any noise. Pwede rin, she said she won't make any noise. Dapat hindi ka sumuko. You must not give up. Hindi na ito gumagana. It no longer works. Pwede rin, this no longer works. Hindi na ako kumakain ng mga bawal. I no longer eat forbidden food. Bakit hindi tayo sumali? Why don't we join? Hindi niya ako nauunawaan. He doesn't understand me. Pwede rin, she doesn't understand me. Hindi ko gusto ang lasa nito. I don't like its taste. Pwede rin, I don't like the taste of it. Hindi ka naman tumaya. You didn't bet. Kapag hindi kaya, huwag pilitin. If you can't do it, don't force it. Kahit paano natulungan ko siya. At least, I was able to help him. Hindi na kita pipilitin. I will not force you. Hindi ako sasagot. I will never answer. Hindi ka naman pala mananalo. You won't win. Sana hindi na lang kita nakilala. I wish I never met you. Bakit hindi ka tumawag? Why didn't you call? Hindi na masama. Not bad. Hindi ko talaga makita. I can't really see. Pwede rin pong may eat. I can't really see it. Okay? Kapag hindi ka dumating, aalis agad kami. If you don't come, we will leave immediately. Sana hindi pa huli ang lahat. I hope it's not too late. Hindi na ako masaya. I'm not happy anymore.